Students, welcome back to my channel Serene Sunset. Today we are going to learn about present perfect. The positive sentence structure is subject plus have, has related to the sentence plus past particle. Example, I have tried sushi. The negative sentence structure is subject plus haven't, hadn't related to the sentence plus past particle. Example, I have not tried sushi. And interrogative sentence structure. Have has plus subject plus past particle. Example, have you tried sushi? Let's check the other slide. What is present perfect tense? Present perfect tense shows actions that happen in the past but are connected to the present. Structure is subject plus helping verb has have plus verb 3 plus particle plus object. For example, she has finished her homework. Helping verb based on subjects. Singular subjects. In singular subjects, we should use helping verb has, such as he, she, it, or any name. Plural subjects, we should use helping verb have, such as I, you, we, they, or plural. There are some types of sentences. Affirmative sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence, and interrogative negative sentence. Let's check what is affirmative sentence. The affirmative sentence structure is subject plus has, have plus past particle plus object. Example, he has learned English today. Did you know affirmative sentence is also known as positive sentence? Let's check what is negative sentence. Negative sentence structure subject plus has, have plus not plus past particle plus object. Example, he has not learned English today. Let's check what is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence structure. Interrogative sentence structure is has, have plus subject plus past particle plus object. Example, has he learned English today? Let's check interrogative negative sentence. Interrogative negative sentence structure. Has, have plus subject plus not plus past particle plus object. This is the structure of interrogative negative sentence. Example, has he not learned English today? Thank you, students. Session and learned about something new and special. I hope you have the knowledge of present perfect tense. Bye bye. See you next time.